here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, one of the byproducts of excessive heat and humidity, sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes, thunderstorms. And I'm watching them on Doppler radar. I want to put the radar on your screen at home and give you an idea of what I'm watching with some modest concern here. I mean, notice locally there's not much going on. It's hazy sun, it's hot, it's humid. Not to go too far to the north and west, by a mere, as the crow flies, 50 miles to the north and west of our northwest corner of the state, and you see it's coming through Chicopee and Springfield, Mass. Right now. It's a line of damaging thunderstorms. All these white icons are actually cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. So this is a severe complex of thunderstorms about 50 miles away from, say, Pasco, Foster, Gloucester, and they're tracking off to the south and east. So it's this area that I've shaded right in here over the next few hours. I'm going to watch closely. Northeast Connecticut, southern Worcester County, Providence, north and west of Burrillville, Pasco, Danielson, Connecticut, Putnam, southern Worcester County, Douglas, Uxbridge, Bellingham, Mass. Right in here, we're going to watch this line to see if it holds together. It's a quick hitter. And I think that the highest chance would be inland areas. This whole red box right in here is a severe thunderstorm warning in between roughly Hartford, Chicopee, and Springfield, Massachusetts. In the meantime, there's no storms in Providence, just that hot sunshine, very humid conditions in the lower 90s right now after reaching 93 just a few hours ago. It slipped back to 91 now in Providence. So it's in the lower 80s on the South Shore, 88 Smithfield, 89 Taunton, New Bedford. You were 90, now it's down to 88. And again, it's not a dry heat. There's so much excessive humidity that these temperatures feel hotter. That's the heat index. And these humidity levels very high next couple of days. More heat ahead both Friday and into Saturday. We're thinking 94 tomorrow, about 88 or close to 90 on Saturday. The approach of a cold front will bring some scattered thunderstorms on Saturday. And speaking of thunder, the thunder risk is slight for early this evening, that area that I just highlighted for you. And then a slightly higher chance on Saturday just with the approach of a cold front. The cold front will act as a trigger to set off a thunderstorm, but the cold front will actually get rid of the heat and humidity. So by Sunday, it's a noticeably different feel to the air. It's very comfortable on Sunday, actually Saturday night into Sunday. So the forecast overnight is very warm and humid and muggy. Any overnight showers are gone. 7 o'clock in the morning, starting off in the mid-70s. And here we go again, much like today, temperatures inland 90, 95, actual air temperature, not the heat index, in the lower 80s along the South Shore. Around this time tomorrow evening, it's in the lower 90s. The heat index tomorrow is going to be running close to 100. And then later tomorrow night, your Friday night at 11 o'clock, it is warm, very humid again. Temperatures even late tomorrow night at 11 o'clock are still close to 80. Any early morning clouds and coastal fog burning off rapidly to hot sunshine by 9 o'clock in the morning. It's already 87, and we're heading up to about 90, 95 during the afternoon hours. Here's a more detailed hour-by-hour look. In fact, by late morning and early afternoon, it is already in the lower to middle 90s. On average, inland away from the ocean, tomorrow afternoon, it's around 94 degrees with the heat index running over 100. Beaches, you do start with clouds early in the morning. It does thin out, though, to hazy sunshine by roughly late morning and noontime. Air temperature 85, water temp in the low 70s. Boaters, you've got that fog early in the morning. Otherwise, 3 to 5 miles in haze on a southwest breeze at 5 to 15. Hot, humid for tomorrow, running about a 15% chance of a late day thunderstorm, but mainly rain free. Better chance, 40% chance of a thunderstorm. Hot, humid, partly sunny on Saturday. Not a washout, but a thunderstorm. Refreshing, dry, comfortable Saturday night. Sunday, open up the windows. It is delightful. The humidity is gone. The temperatures are back to normal. Sunshine and a temperature at 82. But Mike and Kim, in the short term, early this evening, especially Providence, north and west, have to watch for perhaps a strong thunderstorm.
All right.